Hey everyone, and welcome to how to deposit money into Coinbase using Binance. In this video I will show you step by step how to do so, and without further ado, let's get right into it. Now the first thing you need to do is to go over to Coinbase, and then you want to click on send/receive, and you'll then see this pop up. Now you need to go over to receive, and click right here to select the asset you would like to deposit into your Coinbase account. This can be any cryptocurrency like USDT, but for me this will be XRP. Now you want to select the cryptocurrency, click on I understand, and copy your address. Once you've done that, you need to go over to Binance, click on wallet, and click on find and spot. Because, as you can see, over on this page, you can deposit and withdraw. And once you're on your find and spot page, you need to click on withdrawal. Now you need to go over to select coin, click on the coin selector, and search for the same cryptocurrency you have selected on Coinbase. Please be aware that if you transfer your cryptocurrency to the address of another coin, you will lose all the funds you're transferring. So please double check if you have actually selected the same cryptocurrency, and once you've done that, you can go ahead and paste in your wallet address. And if you need to fill in a memo, which is required to transfer XRP, please make sure to also copy your memo or XRP tag and paste in that tag as well. Once you've done that, you can scroll down and fill in the amount you would like to transfer. You can also click on max to select all of your available holdings. And if you would like to withdraw from your funding wallet, make sure to address that right here. Now once you've filled in everything you need to fill in, you can then go ahead and click on withdrawal. You'll then see the withdrawal confirmation, where I'd recommend you double check all the information to make sure you haven't made any unnecessary mistakes. And once you've done that, you need to click on continue. You'll then see the security verification pop-up, where all you need to do is to click on get code and fill in the two-factor authentication codes sent to your email, your phone, or maybe generated in the Google Authenticator. And once you fill in your two-factor authentication codes, the last and final thing you need to do to deposit money or crypto into your Coinbase account using Binance is to click on submit.
If you found this video helpful, let me know by leaving a like or subscribing to my channel for more tutorials about cryptocurrencies.